Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is very exciting because it's Saturday. We're going to be going over the one tool that you actually need to start Amazon FBA. A lot of people always ask me like, hey, what do you think about Viral Launch? What do you think about Jungle Scout? Do you need Jungle Scout? Do you need the web app? Do you need blah, 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 blah? We're going to be going over it today. Stick around to the end. We're announcing the free call winner for this week. We literally quadrupled the number of people in it this week. Awesome job, you guys. You clearly want to win that call. So if you stick around to the end, we have a wheel here open. We're going to be spinning this and see who won the call. But in the meantime, we're going to go over what tools you actually need to start Amazon FBA in 2019, and it is less than what you think. So let's get right into it. If we click on any of my videos, just go to this one. You could just stay on the one that you're on, and then go to my description, go to Jungle Scout, and I'll show you exactly what you need. We're just gonna clear this up here. So my whole channel is literally like a free course. I'm not charging you for anything. If you go and buy this through my link, since you're gonna be starting anyway, I get a small commission, so I'd appreciate that. But anyway, all things aside, what do you actually need? You hit Get Started. Now, do we need the web app or the Chrome extension? I'm gonna show you what both of these are really quick. So on the right here, we have the Chrome extension. What does that even mean? I'll show you right now. So say we go and click on here, I just bought this. So I broke a lamp thing and I needed this. Let's just say this is a product you're looking into, and what would the main keyword be for this? It's lamp holder. So we'll go to all departments and search lamp holder. Socket. Okay. Perfect. So now, what is the Chrome extension here? Let's pop that open. Chrome extension is right up here. It's the little Jungle Scout symbol, the top right corner of your Chrome window. Click on it, and it opens up this tool here. Now, what is even going on with this? What is this showing you? Jungle Scout Chrome extension shows you the revenue of listings, the reviews of listings, and it updates in live time. So it's not going to change while you're looking at it, but this, you can definitely assure yourself this is essentially exactly what they're making from this every month. So you can see how many monthly sales they have. So this guy up here, this 2-pack, is that the same one? Yeah, it is that one. It's actually not that specific one because that's sponsored, but it is showing that one. It's showing you exactly their price, $8.99, how many reviews they have, 36, how much their revenue is. You'd have no way of knowing this. So this is why I say this is the only thing that you technically need. So let's just answer that question. What do you need to start Amazon FBA? Jungle Scout Chrome extension, it's $97. No, you do not need the Pro one, just get the light one. So we'll go into which one you buy. I'll actually go show you. What does it do? It literally shows you this revenue right here. So you know that this listing, this one listing, is making $3,308 every single month on average. This is per month, by the way. Revenue is per month. It's not like per year or per day. That's per month. Monthly sales are obviously per month. So it shows you there's no way of knowing that. So if you go into a market, say you wanted to sell lamp holder sockets on Amazon, how would you know what to expect, how many to order, how to know if it's too competitive to order? Other than reviews, there's really no way of knowing. So this is why this tool is something that you actually need. It shows you the revenue of individual listings within a market, or just an individual listing in itself. So that's why you need this, because it shows you how much money any listing is making. And it actually will sort it in rank. So these are all this is the top ranking one for this search term, second, third. So those are all in order. Also click on revenue, see from the top down, look, so no one's making more than $8,500 in this market. If you were to go to a more competitive market, you'd have a lot different results. So that's why that tool is something you actually need. So if we're gonna buy it, you would go to See Chrome extension plans. Now I know they kind of they play some psychology on you here. Chrome extension light is all grayed out and it's in the background over here. It looks like you can't even click on it, and then they make this one all green. Guys, you do not need the Pro one, okay? Just get the light one. That's all you need, I swear to God. That's the only one I've ever been using, almost a year selling on Amazon now. I've actually had the web app or the extension for over a year because I was doing product research, but technically I launched my first product a little less than a year ago. So you would go purchase light. And now I'm not going to click on it because I don't know if like it probably has my bank information in there and everything, but that's what you would do. You do not need the Pro one. $97 and you will have it forever. Now let's go back and look at what the web app does. So you see on the left here as an option, if this is going to load, let's see. Okay, yeah. So if you clicked get started and you look at the option on the left here, well, it's the web app. So you would open up Jungle Scout web app. I have it bookmarked here, but it's just a fancy way of saying website. Web app just means website. So it's literally Jungle Scout's website, and what they give you. Now this, I can't explain the return on investment of buying this tool. Like, I don't understand when people like will buy a $40 pair of shoes that has a depreciating return and will never make you money, but are like, can I start without the web app? Do I need the web app? No, technically no, but this is literally going to change your life in product research and in building your listing. Why don't you just get it? So this is $40 per month, but you essentially only need it for 1 month. I don't think it's ever taken me longer than a month to do product research. And that's even not doing it like really hard every day. That's just like a couple hours here and there throughout the day. So this is an incredible tool. And the reason I say you don't need it is because technically you can come across products through free methods to sell on Amazon. And as long as you have this, you'll be able to tell whether the market is good to sell in. Now, the Jungle Scout web app is so powerful because it shows you every product. And this was, there's 2 million new products on Amazon. So the last time we looked at this, it was 67 million. There's literally 2 million more now. And that was only a couple days ago. So you can see how quickly products are getting added to Amazon's catalog. And if that's not an inspiration, I don't know what is. Maybe if there's even 1,000 more good products to sell out of those 2 million, there's 1,000 brand new products that very little people are selling right now that could potentially make you $10,000 a month. So this tool is so powerful because it does all the hard work for you. We already know what categories we want to sell in, so it's only going to show you things in the categories you want to sell in. It's only going to show you things in the price range that I give you, $12 to $25. It's only going to show you things with a certain number of monthly sales. So you could literally do all the hard work right here, and it filters all of the 69 million products on Amazon and shows you the ones and gives you product ideas so that you can go over to Amazon, check out the whole market, pull up the Jungle Scout Chrome extension, and see if it's a good market to sell in. Now that's pretty much it. I'm not going to go into too much more depth. I know I'm like a very talkative person, and that's why my videos always end up being 30 minutes. I'm sure you guys appreciate that because I like go over things so viscerally and step by step. But what do you need to start Amazon FBA? Get the Chrome extension at the very least, because you can technically do free product research methods. If you're really like, that's detrimental, the $40 to you is detrimental and it wouldn't allow you to start somehow, don't get the web app. People like ask me and I'm like, yeah, get the web app because it will change your life. And another product we can go, feature we could go over, I don't know why I didn't think of this. Go to keywords right here and go to Keyword Scout. Check this out. We could literally grab this guy's ASIN. Now I made a video about this because I just figured this out and it's such an incredible tool. Grab his ASIN and hit search. If this is your competitor and this is the market you're trying to get into, look, it pulls up his listing. These are all the keywords he's ranking for. So not only do you have product keywords to run for PPC now, you have all these keywords that you could take and put into your listing and your keywords backend and your title and your descriptions. Like, this is just a monster of a tool. And this comes in the $40 web app subscription. So you get the product database to find a product. You come over, see if it's good to sell with Jungle Scout to see how much they're making and how many reviews they have and what their monthly sales are. And then you come back here once you've sourced the product, use this Keyword Scout, build your listing with it. So not only do you get a tool to find a product, you get a tool to build a listing right here. There's actually Listing Builder, which I'll go over in another video because I don't want this to keep going on. And you could actually see PPC bids before you ever start. So if you know you don't have a ton of money to do PPC in the beginning, which it shouldn't cost you anything really if your product's selling well, because the sales will pay for the PPC. But you could see, like, if it's $10 a bid and your product only costs $20, you're not going to be able to do that. So you could see before you ever launch, that was a mistake that I made in my second product. I didn't estimate how much PPC would cost, and it cost way more than I ever expected. But now you could figure that out. That was before these days. This is amazing. So I would say you need both of these, honestly. I just don't get why you wouldn't get this. It's such a useful tool. But technically you only need the Chrome extension. So that's $100 that you should expect to spend to start Amazon FBA, that you need to spend, how I should say, in 140, technically, 137, if you want your life to be easier and you actually want to excel, I would say get the web app. But yeah, you technically only need the Chrome extension. Now let's go over and see who won the free call of the week. You guys excited? I'm excited. I always like doing more free calls. So if you guys don't win and you still want to do calls with me, do not worry. Contact me at pauljsavagementoring@gmail.com. I'll also have that in the description if you don't remember that. You could do one-on-one mentoring calls with me. Now it's getting more and more popular and hard to get a time with me because so many people are doing this. So lock yourself in as one of my students right now, and you could literally ask me questions live. I'll be able to see your screen and walk you through anything you want to know. But here we go. Let's see who won. All right, Chris Nichols. Comment on this video, Chris. If I don't hear from you, I don't want to spoil it because I like the suspense of the spinning wheel. If I don't hear from you within like the next 48 hours, I'll just reply to one of your comments that you commented on and tell you won. But as soon as you watch this, comment down below and let me know that you won. Say, hey, I'm the winner. I'll clearly see your name, and then you could email me and we'll schedule a call. For the rest of you who did not win, like I said, email me at pauljsavagementoring@gmail.com and we could schedule calls. Obviously they're not free, but I literally charge as little as I possibly can with it still making fiscal sense for my time to give out every day. So I'm by no means trying to monetize you guys. You can see that through all of my videos on my YouTube channel, doing daily uploads and trying to get as much value as I can out to you guys. But it's just not possible to make a video. Sorry about that. My timer just went off. I have something in the oven, so I gotta wrap this up. It canceled my recording here. I cannot possibly make a video for everyone's questions. I am only making videos of what I was thinking when I was starting and what the questions that I had. So contact me. We could definitely fit you in while I still have open availability. And be sure to subscribe. And let me lay this out for you guys. If you want to get in on the free call, comment Amazon FBA and subscribe to me. That's the criteria if you're just watching this and don't know what's going on. But you have to comment on this video anytime between this video and next Saturday, because I'm not going through all of my old videos and looking for new content, new comments constantly. That would take me hours to do. So it has to be within the last week. So from this point to next Saturday, if you comment Amazon FBA on my video, any of them from this point to next Saturday, I will pick you and you'll be on that wheel that's spinning next Saturday. So I hope you guys got some value out of this. I will see you guys tomorrow.